Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a must-have for gardening enthusiasts, the VEVOR Rolling Garden Work Seat. This isn't just any garden cart. It's one of the best rolling work seats you can find on the market right now. Stick around as we explore its features, benefits, and why it's a game changer for your gardening setup. First off, let's talk about why the VEVOR Rolling Garden Work Seat stands out. It's designed with your comfort and efficiency in mind, featuring a 360-degree swivel seat. This means you can effortlessly maneuver in any direction, reducing strain on your back and knees during those long gardening sessions. One of the standout features is its extendable steering handle. This allows for precise control and easy navigation across various terrains, thanks to its durable front wheels. Whether you're working in the garden or on a patio, this garden scooter keeps you mobile and agile. Now, let's talk durability. The VEVOR Rolling Garden Work Seat is built tough, using 25mm cross-sectional steel. This not only ensures it can handle outdoor conditions but also makes it resistant to deformation and corrosion. It's a piece of gardening equipment that's built to last. What about practicality? Well, it doesn't disappoint. With a spacious metal storage basket conveniently placed under the seat, you have ample room for all your gardening tools. It's all about efficiency, keeping everything you need within arm's reach while you work. To sum it up, if you're looking to upgrade your gardening setup, the VEVOR Rolling Garden Work Seat should be at the top of your list. Its combination of functionality, durability, and ease of use makes it a standout choice for both casual gardeners and enthusiasts alike. That's all for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth product reviews. Have questions or want to share your experience with this garden cart? Drop a comment below. Until next time, happy gardening!